We're still far away, mind. 2.5 kilometers still. We're still gonna be on that hill. Oh my, that's fine. So the girls are offering to carry the clothes and stuff. And that's their house. They're very simple. Look at the children here. Offers to carry it for the elderlies. Mabuutan, batada. Oh, look, wild ferns. Takoy was saying that we have to be very careful because when it gets wet, we'll be buggered, be skidding everywhere. So further on, I'll just turn it back on when we have another milestone. So we are now 3 kilometers up. Look at the view. We're just actually down there. So we're just turning around. You can see a lot of this plant here. You know, the one that close when you touch it. I know it's quite expensive in Europe, but those plants we call makahiya are considered as weeds over here. And that's the flowers of the makahiya. And you touch that, it closes its leaves. Because I've seen a post that proudly showing the makahiya plant, which is amazing. Oh, lagi dito ay daghan. God, look at the view from here. It's just far away. OMG. Further on. We have a lot of, they have a lot of, I mean, what they call the garlic plant. Oh, birds of paradise. Dito di ili oh, luyo. So we will be searching through this forest here of all the different plants. It's the proper searching for plants, not buying it from retailers, but we will be going through here. Ay, tagay ko na, uy. That's the garlic plant. They're like alternative to the garlic if they run out of it because the leaf smells like garlic. Na, oh, mga birds of paradise, oh. Wild birds of paradise. Unsa na? Ah, dalhon. So her grandmother owns this land before in exchange for a couple of rice, sack of rice only. Look at the ferns. Tagai ko ana. So these are the snake plants on the wild. Look, just growing on the rocks. Different breed. They even have golden photos. They have the riders here. Motorcycle riders. They else, manguha yataan ng kuha, no? Snake plant. Sige, daghan pa kayo ni diri. Look on the rock. There's a lot of different plants growing. Kani ba day ili ba? Unsa ni?
Lilika.
Oy, manguha ta anay nakakita ko na
Tambal na.
Bisaya man ni katong ilang gi kuan.
That's a
Ang karaan man na.
medicinal plant.
Para hinga po ina.
Abot mangong balay ako nga kuan gikan dito ang balay nganhi.
Maglakaw ra siya padung diri. Hala, uy, kadako no.
Balay karaan.
Agoy. Tempa ka is slippery. Paki is already ahead of me. Apil pa ni siyang yuta diri. Danong oday ili o, na mga daghang nanubo o. Sa kana eh. Kanang nas bato, awa na.
Na.
Olda. Look, growing on the rocks. Different kinds of plants. Mga orchids ba siguro na?
Mga orchids dito na.
La, there's loads of wild orchids there. Manguha taan na, oy!
Mga lagi taon niya.
Lagi?
Uli nanto.
Sige. So that's like a wild orchid growing on the rock. We'll just pick it up when we go back. So, 3.5 kilometers. And we are now on the field, open field. Oh, mo bitaw akong
Hay sibugay. Dara oy, sibugay oh.
Sibugay's over here. Unsa din ni diri?
Ughay man ni din he.
Bughay?
Ughay.
Ughay?
Sakop sibugay. Ughay kung usbugay.
Kini mo rin. Kapit bonan ba diyan?
I think this is now the farm of
Ito no.
Farmer Willie. So it's not 5 kilometers. They're just trying to steer me up. It's only 3.5 kilometers. There's Farmer Willie's farm. And this is his place.
Inyo.
Para payag wili eh.
Ang inyo.
Dara yang wili, kato yang payag yung subukutag sako.
Kara.
That's where Farmer Willie lives when he's here. On that shed with wrapped around by the pigs wrapper. Oh my God, the view is amazing. This is Barangay Sitio Ughay, Sibugay. Look at all his farm. I'm going down there. I'll just go through his fence. Oh.
Baka mamay video eh.
Lagi sungayon niya ta. There's the big cow. Ngit-ngit man.
Baruga.
Imo na, inyo na.
Aro makuha. Kuha ni. Turo ni bay.
Sungayon niya ta na de ili ha.
Dili, barog na ni. Amo.
So that's their cow. Oh.
Daot lang.
Not so fat, but it does the job for farming. Now this is Farmer Willie's farm.
Ready, ito na.
So here you can see like 360 degrees of just mountains. You're in the middle. You just keep on turning around. This belongs to the family of the wife of that's Farmer Willie's wife there, Ellie. So this is their part of the family. Right in the middle of everyone else share.
Ako rin taning itaa. Nita ko sa bahin sa akong apuhan nga to ako tuba ng naikwayan. Diyan sa iyang igsoon kato si Andoy. Dayon iyang tatay ayong igsoon amahan ni Mingga. Dayon kang papaingo.
So her family owns a lot of land in this area, and they just keep on selling it gradually. So they're just left with a little parcel because they don't think about the value of the land. They think about if they can just farm a little bit, that's enough. So there. Oh. There's 18 hectares that they own here on her family on this place with 360 degrees of the mountain view. This place is Pungol, Sibugay. Next to this will be Babag. Unsay sunod aning Pungol, Sibugay? Babag na. Babag. So Miss Liz Greeley, that will be your barangay next to here.
Babag may sunod.
Sibugay, Pungol, then next is Barangay Babag. So, I gotta have to turn off so I could not hold on to the weeds. There's their house. Look at all these red ashwatis that he got. That's used for food coloring. And all her kamote, you know, the sweet potatoes, cassavas. And this is, look, ashwatis. So these are all their sweet potatoes up here, and this is their guyabano. Lagi. That's what Takoy was saying. If you live in the mountainside, if you just plant something, you will always get by, you know, you always live without spending a lot of money if you know how to farm.